Hi friends, today we will speak about kinds of nouns. We have studied that what is a noun. A noun is a name, it is a naming word. It can be a name of a person, place or thing. There are different kinds of nouns. Which are they? Nouns are basically classified into two groups: common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns and proper nouns. There are two main types of nouns. They are common nouns, and the second one is proper nouns. Proper nouns. So what are common nouns? Common nouns are names given to person, places or things in general. For example, see, river, it is a common noun. School, it is a common noun. Boy, girl, man, okay, man, city, village, etc. So all these are common nouns. Common nouns are names given in general to places, things or persons. These are some of the examples of common nouns. And what are proper nouns? Proper nouns are names of persons, places or things in particular. For example, see, Kusum. Kusum, it is a name of a girl. So it is a proper noun. It is a proper noun. Then Kedar. Kedar, it is a name of a boy. Particular name. Parbhani. Parbhani, it is a name of a city. Parbhani, it is a name of a city. So it is a proper noun. Then we'll take name of a village. Hatta. Okay. Hatta, it is a name of one village. So it is a proper noun. Hingoli. Hingoli, it is also a name of a city. So it is also a proper noun. Then Bal Vidya Mandir. Bal Vidya Mandir. Okay. Bal Vidya Mandir. Bal Vidya Mandir. So it is a name of a school. So all these are examples. I will take name of a river, Ganga. Okay, Ganga. It is a name of a river. So all these are examples of proper nouns. All proper nouns, they begin with capital letter. Wherever they come in the sentence, we should begin these proper nouns with capital letters. Okay. So all these are proper nouns. All these are proper nouns. Proper nouns are names of persons, places or things in particular. In particular, they are proper nouns. See, this is one division of nouns. That is, nouns, they can be classified into two groups: common nouns and proper nouns. See, there is another class of nouns, that is collective nouns. Collective nouns, it is a part of common nouns. Okay, collective nouns. Collective nouns, it is a part of common nouns. Collective nouns is the name of a group. It is a name given to the group. Okay, and we consider that group as a singular. It is the name given to the group. Examples. See, examples I will write here. A pack of dogs. Okay, a pack of dogs. See, this is an example. A pack of dogs. So the name given to the group of dogs is a pack of dogs. Or Crowd, crowd, crowd. It is also a collective noun. Crowd of people, crowd of people. Then army, an army, okay, an army. Army of soldiers, army of soldiers. So this is also a collective noun. Then a bunch of keys, a bunch of keys. It is also a collective noun. Then team, a team of players, a team of players. So it is also a collective noun. So collective noun, it is the name given to a group of persons, places or things. That is collective noun, and it is regarded as one. It is regarded as one. So all these are examples of collective noun. And there is again one classification of nouns. That classification is like this: abstract noun and concrete noun. Okay, abstract noun, abstract nouns and concrete nouns, concrete nouns. This is another classification of nouns. Okay, abstract nouns, abstract nouns and concrete nouns. What are abstract nouns? See, there are some nouns, that there are some nouns to which we can see and touch, they are concrete nouns. Nouns to which we can see and touch, they are concrete nouns. And nouns to which we cannot see and touch, they are abstract noun. So examples of concrete nouns I will write here. I will write here some examples of concrete noun. See, for example, wall. Okay, wall we can see, we can touch. Table, chair, pen, pencil, okay, pencil, etc. So these are examples of concrete nouns. We can see them, we can touch them. What about abstract nouns? We cannot see them or we cannot touch them. For example, beauty. Beauty, it is an example of abstract noun. Kindness, it is an example of abstract noun. Kindness. Then bravery, it is also an example of abstract noun. Goodness, it is also an example of abstract noun. So all these are examples of abstract nouns. We cannot see and touch them. Okay, so they are abstract noun. And concrete noun, we can see and touch these things. Okay, that's why they are concrete nouns. So this is another classification of nouns: concrete nouns and abstract nouns. See, there is another classification of nouns. That another classification, it is countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Okay, we can classify nouns into another two groups. And which are the two groups? They are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Okay, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. This is the another classification of nouns: countable nouns and uncountable nouns. See, there are some nouns to which we can count as 1, 2, 3. They are countable nouns, and we can make plural of these countable nouns, singular and plural. Okay, what about uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns are those nouns to which we cannot count as 1, 2, 3, and they don't have plural form. I will write here examples of countable nouns. See, pen. Okay, a pen. Okay, see, pen, a pen, pens. So they have plural form: a pen, pens. that is a countable noun. Then mango. Okay, a mango, mangoes, right? Chair, a chair, a chair, many chairs. One chair, many chairs. So they have plural form. We can count them as 1, 2, 3. Then boy, boy, boys, right? Man, men, right? Then a girl, girls, girl, girls. We can count. Then book, book, books, right? Notebook, notebook, notebooks, etc. So countable nouns are those nouns to which we can count as 1, 2, 3, and these countable nouns have plural form. They have plural form. And these are some of the examples of countable nouns. Now what are uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns are those nouns to which we cannot count as 1, 2, 3, and they don't have plural form. For example, water. See, water, water, it is uncountable. We don't count water as they don't have plural form. Water, waters, such thing is not there. So water, okay, water, it is uncountable. Then air, air is also uncountable. Oil, it is also uncountable. Petrol, petrol, it is also uncountable. Water, air, oil, petrol, all these are examples of uncountable nouns. All these are examples of uncountable nouns. Then ink, okay, ink, it is also an example of uncountable noun. Then silver, silver, copper, okay, these are also examples of uncountable nouns because they don't have plural form. They don't have plural form. Silver, copper, they don't have plural form. All these are examples of uncountable nouns. One important thing, see, as far as countable nouns are concerned, we often make use of o an before countable nouns. A pen, an apple, right? So we make use of o an before countable nouns, but we don't make use of o or an before uncountable nouns. Okay, there is water in the pot, there is water in the pot, so we don't make use of o or an before uncountable nouns. So today we studied different kinds of nouns. The first classification, it is common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns are names given to persons, places or things in common. Okay, river, man, boy, girl, city, village, school, these are examples of common nouns. And what are proper nouns? Proper nouns are names of persons, places or things given in particular. For example, Kedar, it is a name of a particular boy. Or Sita, it is a name of a particular girl. Wakodi, it is a name of a particular village. Pune, it is a name of a particular city. Or Ganga, it is the name of a particular river. Mahabadeshwar, it is the name of a particular place. Mumbai, it is the name of a particular city. So all these are proper nouns. And proper nouns, wherever they come in the sentence, we should write these proper nouns with capital letters that I have told you. Another classification of nouns is after that we studied that collective nouns, they are also part of common nouns. Collective nouns are the names given to a group of persons, places or things. For example, an army of soldiers, or a team of players, right? Again, a group of people, a crowd of people, a crowd of people. So all these are examples of collective nouns. Then we studied that nouns can be classified as concrete nouns and abstract nouns. What are concrete nouns? Concrete nouns are those nouns to which we can touch and see. For example, table, duster, wall, window, door, fan. All these are examples of concrete nouns. And what are abstract nouns? Abstract nouns are those nouns to which we cannot touch and see. For example, bravery, okay, kindness, goodness, honesty. All these are examples of abstract nouns. And there is another classification of nouns. That classification is countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are those nouns to which we can count as 1, 2, 3. For example, pen, pencil, chair, okay, fan. Then shirt, trouser, shirt. We have plural of shirt, shirts, okay. Trousers is always plural. So these are countable nouns, okay. We can count them as 1, 2, 3, and they have singular and plural form. What about uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns are those nouns to which we cannot count as 1, 2, 3, and they don't have plural form. For example, water, oil, diesel, kerosene, air, okay, gold, copper. All these are examples of uncountable nouns. So today we studied kinds of nouns. I think you have nicely understood the different kinds of nouns. Okay, there is one type material nouns also. So the copper, gold. In some grammar books there is one type material noun. So copper, gold, silver. These are examples of iron. These are examples of material nouns. So I think you have well understood the different kinds of nouns. I request all of you to subscribe to my channel English Grammar by Sachin Deshmukh, and ask your friends to watch these videos based on English grammar, and ask them to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.